Hello everyone, welcome to ME Tech Crafts. My name is Mohammad Izzi and I'm an IT professional having 10 plus years of experience working with ManageEngine solutions like ServiceDesk Plus, ADAudit Plus, ADManager Plus, AD Self-Service Plus, Endpoint Central, OpManager Plus and so on. In my daily work, I help companies design, deploy and optimize their IT management systems using these powerful tools. Over the years, I have realized that many IT administrators and system engineers struggle with implementation, automation, and advanced configuration of ManageEngine products. Over the tutorials online, they show only basic setups, but in real-world scenarios, it is much more complex. That's exactly why I created ME Tech Crafts channel. On this channel, I will be sharing with you step-by-step tutorials, real-world implementation guides, automation tips and tricks, best practices used by enterprises, and troubleshooting solutions. We will cover tools like ManageEngine ServiceDesk Plus, Endpoint Central, AD360 Complete Suite, OpManager, and many other IT management solutions. Whether you are an IT administrator, a system engineer, a ManageEngine beginner, or someone who is preparing for real-world deployments, this channel will help you to learn practical skills which you can apply immediately in your environment. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe this channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on the upcoming tutorials. In the next videos, we will start with real implementation scenarios and advanced configurations. Thank you for watching and welcome again to ME Tech Crafts, where we turn IT knowledge into practical solutions. See you in the next video.